positive ako na nasa side ko naman kasi wala namang it's a proper venue. And hindi ko alam kung bakit umabot sa Nueva Ecija, Caloocan, Parañaque. So, now, I'll just let
Yes. Saan yung
nakaka-stress, pero I don't let it stress me na I don't want to let it bother me so much. So I'm giving it to
ngayon
my
sa...
Pero you are really determined to fight for your
Sa
daughter.
grade.
Opo, pagdating sa anak ko, ipaglalaban ko. Hindi naman pwede, hindi naman laro-laro ito. At saka, nanahimik ako for so many years. Wala naman akong, never nga ako nagsalita at never akong lumaban. Diba? So, this time, ito na yan. This is the right time to really go on with it.